If your OneDrive is acting up, stuck syncing, not opening properly, or just feeling buggy, a quick reset can often fix the problem without deleting your files. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset OneDrive on Windows in a simple step-by-step way. This is one of the fastest troubleshooting methods when OneDrive gets stuck, stops syncing, or needs a fresh restart. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, look at your taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. This is usually near the bottom right corner of your screen, next to the system tray icons. Once you see it, click the OneDrive icon to open the status and settings panel. From there, click the gear icon to open the OneDrive menu, then choose pause syncing. When the pause options appear, select 2 hours. This step helps make sure OneDrive isn't trying to sync while we reset it. Next, press Windows +R on your keyboard. This opens the Run dialog box, which is where we can launch the reset command directly. In the Run box, paste this command exactly as shown. C:\program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset. Make sure the path is typed correctly because one small mistake can prevent the reset from working. After pasting the command, press Enter. Once you do that, OneDrive will begin resetting in the background. At this point, just wait about 1 to 2 minutes. During the reset, OneDrive may close temporarily, clear its cache, and refresh its syncing settings. That's completely normal. If OneDrive does not reopen automatically after the reset, don't worry. You can start it manually in just a second. Open the Start menu and search for OneDrive. When the app appears in the results, click it to launch OneDrive again. Once it opens, give it a moment to reconnect and rebuild its sync state. After that, OneDrive should be reset and ready to use again, with its settings and cache refreshed. This can help fix syncing errors, startup issues, and other common OneDrive problems. If you are having trouble with files not updating or OneDrive not responding, this is often the easiest solution to try first. And if this video saved you time, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I post more quick tutorials like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.